Why a portfolio matters for tech careers.
A strong tech portfolio showcases your skills, creativity, and initiative, even if you haven't held a tech job yet. Recruiters and employers often look for practical proof of your abilities. Building a portfolio can help set you apart, communicate your strengths, and open doors to job opportunities, internships, freelance work, or networking connections in the tech industry.
Choosing projects when you're new.
Personal and practice projects are the foundation of an entry-level portfolio. Start by solving problems you care about or creating tools you wish existed. Common examples are simple websites, calculators, or apps for hobbies. Focus on projects that allow you to use core technologies relevant to your target role, such as HTML, JavaScript, Python, or data analytics platforms.
Showcasing your skills effectively.
It's not only what you build, but how you present it. Write clear project descriptions outlining your goals, the technologies used, and the challenges you overcame. Include screenshots or demos where possible. Host your code publicly on platforms like GitHub, and keep your code clean and well documented to demonstrate professionalism and attention to detail.
Learning in public and community involvement.
Contributing to open source projects, joining hackathons, or sharing your learning process online helps strengthen your portfolio. Documenting your progress on a blog or social media, or even collaborating with others, shows your commitment to growth and teamwork. Employers value proactive learners willing to engage with tech communities.
Building the portfolio website.
A portfolio website is your digital handshake. Use a simple, visually clean site to organize your projects, display your resume, and share a brief bio. Make navigation easy and ensure everything works on mobile devices. Add contact information to invite networking. This central hub makes it simple for employers to see your work at a glance.